What a lot of people forget is that coffee beans are a food product. So think about it like bread. It can go stale. If coffee beans are exposed to too much heat, moisture, oxygen, or sunlight, you're only going to speed up the aging of those beans. Beans are freshly roasted in Crema every day. We recommend that you use those beans within the first 4 to 6 weeks of their life. Once your coffee beans reach between that 4 to 6 week old mark, they start to lose a majority of their natural oils and their CO2 gases. And these two factors are the biggest contributors to producing that delicious crema on the top of your espresso shot. We cannot state this enough. We do not recommend that you store your coffee beans or ground coffee even in the fridge or freezer. This is exposing your coffee to excess moisture when it's brought out of the fridge, but also can cause your beans or your ground coffee to dry out. Here at Crema, we offer grinding your coffee for you because we know not everybody has access to a grinder of their own. But we will always recommend if you can try and use that ground coffee within 2 weeks of us grinding it. The most surefire way for you to be able to replicate what you're drinking in your local cafe is to use freshly roasted beans, but also freshly grinding them right before you brew them. Don't forget to head on to the education section of our website where you'll find some fantastic guides on different brewing methods. You'll also see some tips and tricks on how to make quality coffee in your own home. And why not head on to the blog section of our website where you'll find many a fantastic article written by Crema's own coffee experts.